Hey everyone, Mrs. Manning here. Last week we saw a video from Mrs. Belatesh updating us about how the garden was doing, and she talked a lot about the roots of the plants in the garden.
So the roots in the plant help anchor the plant in the soil so it doesn't fall over, but it also absorbs water from the ground.
So one of the questions that we got last week was, how can the roots that are absorbing the water, how can they send water to the leaves all the way at the top of a plant, or in this case, a tree? That's a really great question, and I found an experiment that can help explain why that is happening. Let's check it out. In order to do this experiment, you need 4 glasses. 2 will be empty, and 2 will be about a half full with food coloring inside of them. I put about 5 drops of food coloring in each cup. Then what I did was I took 3 paper towels and folded them in thirds. And then I folded each of the paper towel in half. Now I'm gonna place the paper towels inside the cup so that each end of the paper towel is inside the bottom of the cup. Let's watch and see what happens. Similar to plants, the paper towel has these tiny fibers. The water from one cup moves upward through the fibers, just like how the water would move upward from the roots through the stem and to the leaves. This phenomenon is called capillary action. It's water's ability to go against gravity and still go upwards. So if you'd like to try this at home, I highly recommend you do so. Just keep in mind that we left these cups going overnight. So it's something that you're gonna wanna start in the morning and then check out later in the afternoon, or even just let it sit overnight. Have fun.